Hello students. So today we are going to do the complete analysis of your chemistry paper and this sample paper I have taken from the CBSE website. Now if you see the paper clearly, the paper is of 70 marks and time again 3 hours. Now if we see, there will be four sections here. Section A, B, C, D. Section A contains 1 mark question, B contains 2 marks, and C contains 3 marks, and D contains 5 marks question. Okay, now there is no overall choice, however internal choice have been provided. Now the changes which have been put here in this year paper is that case based questions, your case based questions, case study based questions has been put. So question number 1 and question number 2, your question number 1 and question number 2 is case based question. Now case based question is what a paragraph is given and 4 questions has been asked. So if we see the paper pattern, in the very first paragraph, the paragraph is given and 4 questions has been asked, and all the 4 questions are your MCQ type with 1 internal choice. So in all you can see that you have to attempt 4 questions with 1 internal choice. Now if I talk about the paragraph, however each paragraph is given, this paragraph is hardly going to help you in solving these questions. You should have prior knowledge. It's not like passage which you get in your class English or in your Hindi where you have to find the answers from the paragraph. You will hardly find any answer or 1 or 2 only answer from the paragraph. You should have the prior knowledge of the concept. So this paragraph here was from your alcohol, phenol and ethers. Now coming to the second passage, again a passage is given from surface chemistry topic here, and remember in the first passage the 4 questions were MCQ types with 1 internal choice, but in the second passage there are 4 assertion reasoning questions. Now assertion reasoning questions with 1 internal choice. Remember assertion reasoning questions, here we are having 4 options. We find that assertion reasoning somewhere are also with 5 options, but CBSE cover with 4 options only. Means if you see NCERT example, there are certain assertion reasoning questions where there will be 4 options A, B, C, D, E, or in some help books also. But in NCERT, but in CBSE we are only going to do those questions which comprises of only 4 options. Now assertion reasoning again is going to be little bit tougher for you. What you have to do is you have to practice of the assertion reasoning, because here what you do is you just get confused with the 2 options and mark the wrong option either rather than the correct one. So we have to practice regarding assertion reasoning. So now you have seen that we have done 4 MCQ and 4 assertion reasoning from the passage itself. Now coming again, we are having from 3rd question, 4 question, 5 up to you have, if you see the question till 11th question. Till 11th question you are again having MCQ. From 3 to 11 you are having MCQ with 4 internal choices. So internal choices has been increased. Again we find that 4 assertion reasoning were prior, and again 9. So 13 are there 4 were earlier MCQ and these are 9 MCQ. So total 13 MCQ is coming. Now there are no one word questions here, no one sentence questions here. So you have to be very careful while studying, because either it will be wrong or it will be correct. There is no chances of writing descriptive, so you can get marks. Now from question number 12 to 16, these are 5 questions with 1 internal choice, again assertion reasoning. So if we found that in case of 22, section A comprises of 22 questions, then in section A has 22 question, 22 1 mark question, and this in 22 1 mark question, 13 questions are your MCQ types and 9 questions are your assertion reasoning. However, there are good internal choices, but you have to practice here, because either the question will be wrong or correct. So there is no scope of descriptive where you can get 1 or 2 marks. Now coming to the section B, which is 17 to 25 question, again 2 marks they carry, and there are a number of internal choices. 3 internal choices have been given. Again section C, 5 questions, 3 marks with 2 internal choices, and your section D will be 5 marks comprising of all the internal choices. We will be having 3 questions here. So you have understood that in journal if we talk 33 questions, by here it is written 33, but if you see in one part only you are having 4 MCQs. In all, if you see, there will be 39 questions. Okay, so now what has been increased is the proportion of your, earlier there used to be 10 marks 1 marks question, but here now it is 22 questions of 1 mark. So you have to be very precise in dealing and in studying, because you have to be very conceptual wise strong to solve these questions. Now let us see what will be your chapter weightage. Here we are not doing chapter weightage this time. CBSE is not interested in chapter weightage this time. Now let us see the blueprint of the paper. So in the blueprint you can see that here the chapter wise weightage is not there. So rather than chapter wise weightage, there is a part wise weightage. So your physical portion, that is your first 5 chapters, of 24 marks. Your inorganic portion, 3 chapters, P block, D&F and coordination, is of 19 marks, and the organic is of 27 marks. So your first book is of 43 marks and the second book is of 27 marks. So you have to work hard in order to score, because you know that earlier there used to be questions from the easy chapter for polymers and chemistry in everyday life, this which has been deleted now. So the organic now contains a major portion. So for the slow bloomers you have to work very hard, and you know that 22 questions are directly from 1 mark, where you have to use your concepts, where you cannot write descriptive, or there's some leniency to give you marks. So you have to be very much precise regarding those answers. So you have to also strong your concept also and work hard in this area. So this was the CBSE analysis from my side. I hope you would see this and work accordingly, prepare accordingly. However, all the papers which will be taking on this sample paper wise only, and pre-boards will be conducted on this basis only.